Okay, now we will start with continuity. Okay, first we will start with a definition. Definition in the sense an example we are taking. Let us take an example. F of x is equal to function. It has two values, 1 and 2, for when x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than 0. This is only giving you an idea when we will say that the function is continuous or not. Okay. Now the meaning of this is when I draw the figure, draw the graph. X less than or equal to 0. That means at the point 0 as well as less than 0, you have the function's value to be 1. That means here you will have a straight line like this. That is for each and every point of x which is less than 0, you will have value of the function as 1. So जितने भी पास आप पॉइंट लोगे बिकॉज इट इज रियल नंबर x लेस देन 0 बोलेंगे तो सारे नंबर्स आएंगे तो एक एक रियल नंबर के लिए आपके पास जो वैल्यू आएगा वो होगा 1 1 1 1. सो तो इन सबको ज्वाइन करके आपको ये स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलता है. And at the point 0 also you are having the value 1. So here also you will mark like darken circle. Okay, that means at the point 0 you are having value of the function to be 1. Now when they say greater than 0, जब x का value greater than 0 होगा, that means this positive part, the function's value is 2. That means यहाँ से सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज ऑफ x के लिए आपका जो फंक्शन वैल्यू है वो 2 है. दैट मींस लाइक दिस यू विल गेट. दैट मींस यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा एंड एट द पॉइंट 0 यू डोंट हैव दैट 2 वैल्यू. अंडरस्टूड. 0 में आपके पास 1 है वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन एंड एट द पॉइंट ग्रेटर देन 0 यू हैव द वैल्यू 2. सो यहाँ पे आप फॉलो सर्कल, यहाँ एक darken circle, ये दिखाने के लिए कि at the point 0 you have this value 1. Okay. Now continuity means when you are able to draw a graph without putting up your hand from the plane. That means अब मेरे को ये draw करना है तो from the left hand side it will just continuously आप draw कर सकते हैं ऐसे एक straight line ऐसे ही draw कर. Then after that when you reach the point 0 you have to take a jump here and then go like continuous, right? So that jump says that you have a discontinuity here. At which point? At 0. At x equal to 0, you have to change your place. That means यहाँ से ऐसे आकर फिर ऐसे continuous जाना है. That means at the point where you have x equal to 0, its left hand side is having something else and right hand side is having something else. That's why we say that this function, the given function, is not continuous. Is not continuous at equal to 0. Okay, f is not continuous at x equal to 0. This is what we say. समझ में आया? The left hand side of x देखोगे तो आप कैसे लिखते हो? जब लिमिट, okay, लिमिट से मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. Left limit, when you say left limit, you will write limit x tends to, you remember, 0 minus your LHL. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 0. We will find out what is the value of f of x in the left hand side of 0, right? Left hand side of 0 will be taking this less than 0 का value, function का value 1 है, 1 डाल दिया. अब अगर यहाँ x होता, you will replace it with 0. Now you don't have any x means the value will be 1, right? Now if you take for a right hand limit, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, you will write limit x tends to 0. Function's value for x greater than 0 is 2. So here you have 2. And since you don't have anything, in terms of x here, you will write that value directly as 2. So see your left hand limit LHL is not equal to RHL. And what about at the point? At the point is f of 0. F of 0 is your meaning for at the point. Function's value at the point means जहाँ पे equal to है. तब भी आपका function value 1 आ रहा है. So LHL is actually equal to your function's value at the point, but it is not equal to RHL. But if all the three are equal, then only you will say that the function's limit exists, right? Similar manner, continuity also is depending on the same factor. Limit exists means it will be continuous. So कौन से point में वो continuous नहीं हो रहा है? At the point 0. Therefore, the function is not continuous at the point 0. Understood this one? Got it? Next example I'll take. F of x is equal to, you have again 1 and 2 when x is not equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Now again for this graph, how I will draw? X dash, y dash. Okay. Now here, when x is not equal to 0, you have the value, function value as 1 means, यहाँ पे है 0 x का value. Or in all the other parts, you have the function's value as 1. So if this is 1, you will have the graph like this going here. But at the point 0, you will make a hollow circle here and then again it is going. Because for all the values other than 0, it is having the value 1. Now when you say x equal to 0, the value should be 2. That means at 2, you will make a darkened circle. So for this function also, if I am going like this, for all the values, I have to draw like this. That means without raising my hand, I can draw on the plane. But at the point 0, I have to take a jump there and then come back and then continue. That means here also, you have a discontinuity at the point 0. Function is discontinuous, not continuous. H equal to 0. That point यहाँ पे होगा आपको. कौन से point में आप check कर रहे हो वो यहाँ से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, फंक्शन का वैल्यू जहां चेंज कर रहा है, बिकॉज अगर वो 1 नॉट इक्वल टू 0 है, कोई भी पॉइंट लो, उस पॉइंट में आपका वैल्यू फंक्शन का 1 ही होगा. तो एट द पॉइंट 0 इट इज चेंजिंग मींस यू हैव टू चेक फॉर ओनली एट 0. सो लेफ्ट हैंड, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट और राइट की जरूरत नहीं है एक्चुअली, बिकॉज बोथ लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन एज 1. Okay, and at the point you have 2, so you can say that f of 0 is 2, and limit, if you take x tends to 0 minus f of x, then also it will occupy this function's value. That means limit x tends to 0, you write 1 here and this will give you 1. And similarly you have limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, which is equal to limit x tends to again 0, again not equal to 0 में ही आएगा, less than or greater than दोनों आएगा. So you are getting left hand equal to right hand, but your limit value function value at the point is not equal to that value. Okay, that is LHL is equal to RHL but not equal to at the point. Therefore, the function is discontinuous. So दो cases यहाँ पे मिले हैं. Left hand right hand equal नहीं है, तब भी function discontinuous है. Left hand right hand equal है, but at the point it is not equal, then also it is discontinuous. That means the complete definition of continuity is given by if the left hand limit, right hand limit, and at the point all the 3 coincides, then you will say that the function is continuous at a particular point. Okay, so they are giving the definition as, suppose f is a real function. What do you mean by real function? Real function, either the domain should be R or a subset of R. Okay, if I'm taking R, or a subset of R means it can be natural number, whole number, whatever you know. जो भी R के सबसेट आपने सीखे, कोई भी यहाँ पे आ सकता है. So that is a real function. 2 can be R or a subset of R. Okay, and C be a real number. Anyway, I will take a point from the domain set. So domain set is R, so I can say C belongs to R. Then I will say that f is continuous at C. F is continuous at C if I have the condition limit x tends to C, f of x is same as f of C. Now when I say this, I have not written left hand and right hand, because the definition of limit itself says that if the left and right are equal, then only the limit exists. That's why I have written limit x tends to C, f of x. Now if you want a clarification for this, you can just write like this also. This is your left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to at the point. This is the condition for your continuity. Then you will say that the function is continuous at the point C. Understood? Now if any one of the equality fails, you will say that the function is discontinuous. Either if these two are not equal, or these two are not equal, or these two are equal and this are not equal, then you will say that the function is discontinuous at the point referred here. Understood the definition of continuity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next example will start. I have an example. check the continuity of the function given by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1. So they have given the point where you need to check. We have given the function also, so we will start with the definition. क्या है definition? Limit exist कर रहा है कि नहीं देखना है और at the point check करना है. अगर दोनों coincide कर रहा है तो you will see that the function is continuous at the given point. So first we will start with what is f of 1. F of 1 actually will show that the function is defined at that point. जो function दिया है वो defined है कि नहीं वो at the point में आपको मिल जाएगा. F of 1 का मतलब क्या हुआ? You are replacing your function's value where you have x, replace it with 3. So what is this? 2 plus 3, which is 5. Now limit. Again, you have only one function, so we need not go for left and right. We have to take only the limit at the point. What is the point? 1. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 1. Replace the function's value, which is 2x plus 3. Now, after this process, what you will do? You will replace x value with this one. Okay. Function का जो value है आपको जो मिला है question में वो डालने के बाद you have to just replace your x value with what value? At what value you have to check that value. So 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to again 5. That means you are getting limit x tends to 1 f of x is same as f of 1. All the two values are 5. Therefore, the function f is continuous at x equal to 1. The way to represent check the continuity of the function depending on what is f of x. Okay, because here you have only one definition for f of x, hence you are using only this. Otherwise, you need to use your left and right. And discuss the continuity means you have to check for less than that number, greater than that number, and at the point. At the point के लिए हम left, right, and f of ये find out करते हैं. बाकी discuss the continuity जब होता है वो throughout होता है. Total in R they are asking you to. So at that time you need to check for less than that. I'll show how. Okay, this is clear.
मैम
Yes.
मैम इसमें हम दो बार एट द पॉइंट और वो दोनों सेम ही तो होता है, वो दो बार क्यों फाइंड करते हैं?
कहाँ क्या सेम होता है?
मैम एफ ऑफ 1 जो हम फाइंड करते हैं वो और ये लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 1.
वो दोनों एक्चुअली ये पॉलिनोमियल है. ये इसके बाद आपको पता लग गया कि पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन, कुछ फंक्शंस ऐसे हैं जो हमेशा कंटिन्यूअस ही होते हैं एट व्हाटएवर पॉइंट यू चेक. अंडरस्टूड? बट देयर आर सर्टेन केसेस इन व्हिच सपोज द फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड लाइक देखो इसी f of s को मैंने अगर ऐसे किया है, या क्या था क्वेश्चन 2x plus 3 when x is not equal to 1, and I'm just saying that 1 when x is equal to 1. So I have defined a function means here I need to check for f of 1, right? f of 1 यहाँ पे 1 आ रहा है.
Yes ma'am.
अब not equal to 1 मतलब मेरे को left and right या लिमिट्स चेक करना पड़ेगा, right? For limit x tends to तब भी 1 या तो 1 minus 1 plus ले लो. 1 माइनस होगा तो आप क्या लिखोगे? लिमिट x tends to 1 function's value which is 2x plus 3, right? And you will replace 1 only. यहाँ पे 1 replace करोगे तब कितना आएगा? 2 into 1 plus 3 which is 5 आएगा. But actually this at the point 1 आया. यहीं से आप बोल सकते हो कि कंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा because लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट और ये दोनों कोइंसाइड नहीं कर रहा है. Even if you are right hand, यहाँ पे राइट भी वही सेम ही देगा. 1 plus f of x भी सेम f of x है. Definition is not changing. In certain cases definition will be different. So we are checking for all the points. मतलब यहाँ पे जो वेरिएशन दिया होगा उन्होंने x का, उस सब में आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा कि सब कोइंसाइड कर रहा है कि नहीं. यहाँ पे वो इसीलिए वेरी नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही फंक्शन था, उसी में आप डाल रहे हो, एट द पॉइंट भी डाल रहे हो, लिमिट भी चेक कर रहे हो. That's why. Understood? So here also you will get the same thing 5. So left and right यहाँ पे same है, but at the point it is not equal. So I will say that the function is not continuous at x equal to 1 according to the given question. Understood? तो चेक करके दिखाना मीन्स द सिंपल पूछते नहीं है, बट दैट इज द वे टू चेक. अंडरस्टूड? अगर वो नहीं लिखोगे तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. दोनों सिर्फ उसमें दे रहा है, हर चीज में नहीं देगा. थोड़े क्वेश्चंस के बाद आपको पता लगेगा कि वो नहीं दे रहा है या दे रहा है, कैसे चेक करना है. ठीक है? एग्जामिन वेदर द फंक्शन f is continuous. So second example is f of x is x square. You have to check the continuity at x equal to 0. Here also आप जो बोल रहे हो इसमें डालोगे तब भी वही आएगा, फंक्शन में डालोगे तब भी वही आएगा, राइट? दैट मींस लिमिट अगर चेक करोगे, लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 डालोगे, f of x at the point जो दिया है वो यहाँ पे आएगा, and you will get limit extends to 0, f of x की जगह x square, so you'll get 0 square which is 0, and f of 0 will be again 0 square which is 0. So therefore you have to say that limit extends to 0, f of x is same as f of 0, and hence the function is continuous at equal to 0. The way to show whether it is continuous or check whether it is continuous or not. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is your modulus function. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x is equal to mod x at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Again, here in your modulus function you have two definitions. Mod x को ही आप definition क्या है याद है? f of x is equal to, it is x or minus x as x is greater than or equal to 0 or x is less than 0. This is the definition actually of mod x. देखा यहाँ पे आपके question में नहीं दिया है. That means you need to know what is f of x. ठीक है? सिर्फ mod x दोगे तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what is its expansion. Now we will start with यहाँ पे left and right different values है, so we have to check for both the things, right? So we'll start with left hand limit. LHLB लिखते हैं इसको, ठीक है? Left hand limit. So x tends to at the point 0 check करने को बोला है तो 0 minus f of x. The limit, when you substitute the value, function value, you need not write that minus or plus here. X tends to 0. We are replacing the value f of x का क्या होगा? 0 minus मतलब it is less than 0. So you will substitute as minus x. Now after that you will substitute x as 0. You will get minus 0 which is same as 0, right? 0. RHL, which is right hand limit, will be x tends to 0 minus, plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0. Again, you will have the definition says that it is greater than 0 means value is x. So here you have x, replace the value with 0, so you get the left and right equal. Now at the point, another step, in that you have to check where it is equal to, there you need to put the value as x है. That means f of x होगा तो x आएगा, f of 0 होगा तो 0 होगा. So all the three are coinciding. So you have to write, since limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. Therefore, the function is continuous at x equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ये तीनों दिखाना पड़ता है तब आपके दो definitions हो f of x. एक ही definition है तो left right दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, limit करके लिख सकते हैं, limit x tends to 0 f of x लिख सकते हो. Next, here इससे आपको पता लगेगा. In this problem you will understand that why you need to check all the points. Example 4 is show that the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if x is not equal to 0 and 1 if x is equal to 0 is not continuous at x equal to 0. Is not continuous दिखाना है. अब check the continuity बोलेंगे तो हमें नहीं पता है कि whether it is continuous or not. So we need to check and say whether it is continuous or not. Here they have already told that show that it is not. So हमको पता है no मिलने वाला है, ठीक है? How will you start? See here f of 0 at the point is they have already given f of at the point 0 is 1. Now you have to check for limit. Again यहाँ पे right left की जरूरत नहीं है because you have only one definition for either left or right. जब दो definitions दिए होते हैं तब it is compulsory to do that. Okay. So limit x tends to the point is 0 at the point 0 check करना है. X tends to 0 f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube plus 3. Now you replace your x value with 0, so you get 0 cube plus 3 equal to 3. So here actually you are not getting limit at the point, limit of the function at the point to be equal to at the point. That means they are not equal. Since they are not equal, you can say that function is not continuous at x equal to. Understood the step? Clear, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one. See here the question says that check the points where the constant function f of x equal to k is continuous. जब check the points बोलते हैं, they have not referred any point that x equal to ये point में check करो. जब उन्होंने check the points बोला है या in general बोल रहे हैं, तो we have to say take the point as c. Okay, c करके हमको लेना होता है. And constant function again you have to, when they are not mentioning from where to where, real number set lena hai. F is from R to R. Okay, the condition itself you have to take as f is from R to R. F of x equal to k means it is a constant function. So for this, what you need to do is you have to check at the point at x equal to c. ये है आपका point. ठीक है, it's constant. First, you will start with limit x tends to c. F of x is equal to limit x tends to c. F of x is k. Replacing f of x with k. Now, when it is k, if it was having anything like x, you will replace that x with c. But here you don't have anything, means your answer will be k. Again, at the point means f of c, right? And f of c means if it is f of x, it is k. If it is f of 1, then also it is k. So if it is f of c, then also it is k. Hence, the values are coinciding. Therefore, limit x tends to c f of x is equal to f of c. Hence, it is continuous at every point. Because c is a general point and you are getting the value to be coinciding, you can say that the function is continuous at any point. Okay, at every point or every real point, real number. Whatever real number you take, it will be coinciding its value with your limit as well as the point. Understood? So this is your general case where you have to take a C and D. Again, identity. अभी जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, अभी हमने जो discuss किया है, you have modulus function. उससे पहले we have discussed polynomial function. Now we have discussed constant function. And next we are going to discuss what is that identity function. Identity function. Then we have rational function. ये सारे functions general case में continuous होते हैं. They are continuous functions. That's what we have done. Now for polynomial function, again, if you have two values, then the case was different. But if you have only one value and you have to check for any point, means it will be normally continuous only. Okay. In general, they will be continuous. At a particular point, we need to check whether at that point it is continuous or not. Because for the concept example 4, you have two different definitions. That's why it was not continuous. Actually, x cube plus 3 is polynomial. And also it was not continuous because at that point 0, the function was having two values and they were not matching. Okay, that's why. Understood? In general case, polynomial function, modulus function, constant function, identity function, rational function, everything will be. Then trigonometric function also. Trigonometric functions, these all are actually continuous. Okay. Next is identity function. Again, for identity, you have the same thing. Identity means what? When you have f of x, you will get x. Composition and all, we have seen that composition g of x. If you are getting x, we will say that g composition for f composition g is I. Same thing. F of x equal to x means f is acting as the identity function. And you have to prove that it is continuous at every real number. Then that means the case arises that you have to take C, a general term. At any point, उन्होंने नहीं दिया है. So we will take let C belongs to R. C be any real number. Does that mean C belongs to R means C be any real number. And you will start with what will be f of C. F of C means क्या आएगा? देखो f of x x है तो what will be f of C? It will be C. right?
C.
And at the point when you check, you will say limit extends to C f of x. This limit extends to C, f of x is x.
X.
Again, you will replace your x with C. Since you are having x here, you will replace it with C, means you are getting C. Both the values are coinciding. Limit extends to C, f of x is same as f of C. Hence, you can say that f is continuous at every real number, at every real point. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are saying that a real function f is said to be continuous. So in general, if they are saying that f is continuous, the meaning of this will be f is continuous at every point. कोई भी ऐसा point नहीं होगा जहाँ पे वो continuous नहीं है. सारे real numbers में every point कहाँ पे होता है? अगर f r to r है, तो every point, that point will be taken from the domain set. Okay, at every point in the domain of f. This is your general definition. If you say that function is continuous. Generally, function is continuous का मतलब होता है वो सारे points में continuous है. Okay. Now, next question is your yes, this modulus function. But first, पहले जो हमने discuss किया था, that question and this question has some difference. What is that? Example 3 was discuss the continuity of the modulus function at x equal to 0. But here in your example 7, you have again discuss the continuity or is the function continuous? सिर्फ continuous में पूछा है. That means आपको हर point में check करना है, right? f of x is continuous पहले हमने देखा था at x equal to 0. तो x इसका left and right देखा था, and we said that no, it is continuous everywhere. Oh, sorry, at the point 0 it is continuous. Now here we need to check, is it continuous everywhere or not? Is there any point where it is not continuous? ये check करना है, ठीक है? उसके लिए हमें 3 केस बनाने पड़ते हैं. एक है 0 से छोटा. Actually the modulus function is like 0 के उस तरफ और इस तरफ change हो रहा है. When x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. Now here you have to split it into 3 cases, and the cases are at x equal to 0 check करना है. At x equal to 0 का मतलब क्या है? उसका left hand limit and right hand limit and at the point equal है कि नहीं देखना है. वो हमने उस problem में कर लिया था, यहाँ पे भी करेंगे. And 2 more cases arises, and that is suppose this is your number line, this is 0. So you can choose any real number which is less than 0. उसको हम generally C करके लेंगे. That means हमने जो एक first proof किया है या case 1 जो होगा वो आपका अगर at the point 0 है तो उसका left और right check किया है. Left और right में value coincide कर रहा है कि नहीं वो check कर रहे हैं and at the point. तो ये x equal to 0 का हमने बोल दिया. Now if you want to check for other points, उसको हमने 2 केस बनाना है. एक है less than 0, एक है greater than 0. That means this C can be any number which is less than 0. ये -1, -2, -3 कुछ भी हो सकता है. समझ में आ रहा है कैसे ले रहे हैं? यहाँ से यहाँ तक के सारे numbers हो सकते हैं. And C greater than 0 का मतलब होता है कोई भी positive number हो सकता है. Example 3 में सिर्फ हमने 0 के left neighborhood में और right neighborhood में check किया है. वो ज्यादा दूर तक नहीं जाता है. समझ में आ रहा है? The function is in this shape. Modulus function is in this shape means यहाँ पे होता है जो एक transition आ रहा है, change in the graph आ रहा है. इसीलिए हम इस point में check करते हैं. बाकी यहाँ एक straight line आ रहा है. That means यहाँ जो left hand यहाँ के values हैं ये सब negative values हैं. Negative values के लिए आपको एक straight line graph मिल रहा है. And the straight line is actually continuous. हम continuously इसको draw कर सकते हैं यहाँ तक. Again, this is a straight line in your right hand side also. So for positive x values also you are getting a straight line continuous. So यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे continuous है ये दिखाने के लिए we are taking less than and greater than separately. ठीक है, यहाँ के values और यहाँ के values ले लिया. ये नहीं कि आपका left और right लिया है फिर से क्यों लिया है, ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए. वो case different है. ठीक है, कैसे प्रूव करते हैं दिखाते हैं. Case 1 I'm taking let C be any real number such that C is less than 0. इसका मतलब हुआ कि 0 से कोई भी छोटा नंबर आप C को ले सकते हो और you are checking. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे -1 ले रही हूँ तो -1 के नेबरहुड में मैं चेक कर रही हूँ, उसके लेफ्ट और राइट में उसका वैल्यू सेम है कि नहीं. Understood? Like that we are saying. So C is any number which is less than 0. Now we will check what is at the point and the limit. So जब limit लोगे, limit extends to C, इस C को आपको negative assume करना है. Understood? C is a negative number. So when I say limit extends to C f of x, the thing is I will use the definition of f of x as, क्या use करूंगी मैं? लेस देन 0 जो भी हो उसका वैल्यू नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट नंबर होता है. तो यहाँ पे जो नंबर है वो क्या आएगा? इट विल बी माइनस, राइट? हाँ, तो नेगेटिव आएगा. नेगेटिव x डालने के बाद आप उसको c से रिप्लेस करोगे. सो इट इज माइनस c, राइट? एट द पॉइंट, अब एट द पॉइंट चेक करना है व्हिच इज f of c. f of c का मतलब क्या हुआ? f of c means c is a number which is less than 0. 0 से छोटा नंबर है वो, ऑलरेडी हमने ऐसे ही लिया है उसको. तो जो f of c होगा उसका डेफिनेशन भी यही होगा. It will be negative of that number. Understood? Now you can just see that they are coinciding. That is, limit x tends to c, f of x is same as f of c. c के लेफ्ट और राइट में अगर आप चेक करोगे, दोनों में आपको नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट नंबर ही आने वाला है. So it doesn't have any difference in the function. That's why we have taken only one thing. Limit सिर्फ ये है, left right नहीं है, because वो function सिर्फ ये है, वो है ही नहीं, because वो less than 0 में है. ठीक है, एक ही function है, एक ही function में left right check करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पे नहीं किया है. Now when I say case 2 will be, therefore in this case I can say that this implies that the function is continuous for every negative values. Okay, negative real numbers के लिए continuous है. वो प्रूव करने के लिए हमने जनरल टर्म लिया है. F is continuous for every negative real number. Okay. Now we are taking case number 2. There it changes like what it will become. C is greater than 0. एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है C, तब क्या होगा? So again limit x tends to C, f of x will be limit x tends to C. एक greater than 0 means एक positive number will be having like कोई number आ रहा है. So here you will have x and you will replace it with C. So you get C here. Now f of C means what? It is again C is a greater number, greater than 0. So you have the definition as whatever you are taking here, f of x है तो x आएगा, f of C है तो C आएगा. So again limit x tends to C, f of x is same as f of C. Therefore the function is continuous at every positive real number. All positive real number के लिए ये हो गया. अब हमें जो चेक करना है वो है, because it is differing its value, function value at x equal to 0. 0 में ये चेंज कर रहा है, तो हमें 0 का भी केस, ये सेकंड केस था. अब हमें एक और केस दिखाना है. एक्चुअली अगर ये प्रॉब्लम पूछ रहे हैं तो थर्ड केस आपको वो एट द पॉइंट 0 दिखाना है. एग्जाम्पल 3 में जो हमने किया है वो ये, ठीक है. तो एट द पॉइंट के लिए केस 3 लेंगे when x is 0. So this is, यहाँ पे आप x equal to 0 लिखो या c equal to 0 doesn't matter. So the thing is आप 3 केसेस यहाँ पे करोगे. जब c या x equal to 0 होगा तो आपको लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट x tends to 0 माइनस और राइट हैंड लिमिट x tends to 0 प्लस और एट द पॉइंट चेक करना है. ये नॉर्मल केस जैसे लिमिट x tends to 0 minus f of x is limit x tends to 0, f of x 0 minus means less than 0. So you will have minus x, which will again give you 0, and this will give you limit x tends to 0, x positive value, again 0, and f of 0 is 0 because equal to 0 में आपको वही value करना है. So all the 3 coincides means the function is continuous at x equal to 0. F is continuous at x equal to 0. So what you can say about the continuity? This means that the function is continuous throughout. It is continuous everywhere. Got it? So when they say कोई भी point नहीं बोला है तो आपको सारे cases करने हैं separately. 3 cases. Next is discuss the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 1. Now again, when they say that discuss the continuity, you have to take a general term, that is C. Let C belongs to R. You have to just check limit extends to C, f of x is equal to limit extends to C. Function is x cube plus x square minus 1, which is equal to, जब limit डालोगे तो x will become C. So you have to C cube plus C square minus 1. And what do you mean by f of C? Again, you will have to replace your x value with C. So just C cube plus C square minus 1. Therefore, the function is continuous. इसके पहले आपको लिखना है, ठीक है? Limit f of C is same as limit x tends to C of x. Therefore, f is continuous everywhere. Because it was a general term, you can say that it is continuous everywhere. Okay. Everywhere मतलब continuous function है. Then you need not refer any point. When we say that the function is continuous, कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है तब भी the meaning is it is continuous everywhere. Okay. Now next is discuss the continuity of the function. तो ये भी आपका polynomial आ गया है, polynomial function, it is continuous everywhere. Next thing is your rational function. As in p by q form, 1 by x. F of x is 1 by x. Okay. 1 by x के लिए any non-zero real number देना zero. Compulsory, you have to take that x is not equal to 0, because if x is 0, the function does not exist. So हमेशा function defined होना चाहिए, then only you can use this function. Okay. So we have to say that x is not equal to 0. So when we are choosing a real number, when I say x, C belongs to R, that C should be a non-zero number. Okay, it should not be equal to 0. Let C belongs to R when C is not equal to 0. Now again, limit x tends to C, f of x is equal to limit x tends to C, f of x is 1 by x, so we get 1 by C. Again, C is not equal to 0, so it exists. Now f of C is again 1 by C. They'll have both the things to be equal. Limit x tends to C, f of x is equal to f of C. You can say that f is continuous. Only continuous मैं बोल रही हूँ. क्यों बोल रही हूँ? क्योंकि it is everywhere. Since C belongs to R, it is true for all the real numbers. Therefore, the function is continuous. Okay. They have explained it in another manner. That means taking the values and then proving. यहाँ पे limit exists, we are saying. But actually, the function is becoming continuous, but the value which we are getting is infinite, negative infinite and positive infinity. And infinity, मतलब limits exist बोलते हैं, it does not exist बोलते हैं. What do you mean by limit equal to infinity?
Does not exist.
Actually, does not exist. At a point, it does not exist. Okay, at a point we are saying. So in that example, we prove that the function, that is rational function, is always continuous. Now they have given an explanation for at the points x equal to 0. That is same function f of x equal to 1 by x. Because in the example, we have not taken any point there. In general, we have proved. So in general case, the function is continuous. But when it is referred as at x equal to 0, we have to take the value as left hand the limit and right hand limit. That means 0 से छोटा और 0 से बड़ा values डाल के उन्होंने दिखाया है. They have just taken x and f of x values. You just check. When they are taking x equal to 1, उतना दूर हम normally नहीं लेते हैं. x 0 का neighborhood ले रहे हैं बस. उन्होंने 1 तक ले रखा है. Not necessarily 0 point something ले सकते हैं. So they are just showing that where it is moving. आपका आंसर कहाँ जा रहा है f of x का, ये दिखाने के लिए ले रखा है. x 1 होगा तो 1 by 1 will be 1 itself. 1 by 1 will be 1. Now when they are taking 0.3, it is 3.33 ऐसे जा रहा है. That means this is 3 by 10. You are getting 3.33 for your 10 by 3. Okay, reciprocal हो जाएगा. 10 by 3 का value 3.33 ऐसा रहा है. Then they have taken 2 by 10. That is 2.2. उसका value आएगा 10 by 2, which is 5. then what they are showing is as you go, the value of x decreases. यहाँ पे अब उन्होंने 0.1 लिया, फिर 0.01 लिया. ये एक्चुअली इतना जरूरी नहीं है. आप यहाँ पे देखो तो 0 का नेबरहुड मीन्स दिस इज द एक्ट वैल्यू विच यू हैव टू सी. 0.01, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. दैट मीन्स आपको वो राइट हैंड लिमिट का दिखेगा आपको उसमें. ठीक है, जब ये वैल्यू लिया है तो इट्स रेसिप्रोकल विल बी व्हाट, दिस इज योर 1/10. 1/10 will give you here 10. Here 1/100, so here it is 100. Then it is 1000. That means जितना आप छोटा वैल्यू, nearby value of 0 ले रहे हो, positive nearby value, right hand side, right hand value of 0 near to 0 जब ले रहे हो, your function value is actually going up. बहुत बड़ा होता जा रहा है, right? बहुत बड़ा रेस उसमें आ रहा है वैल्यू में. That means यहाँ है 0. Then you are taking nearby. यहाँ पे 1 में 1 आया था आपको, तो यहाँ तक आ गया. And the function is actually like going like this when you take that value. ठीक है, तभी समझ में आएगा. यहाँ पे आप वैल्यूज ले रहे हो 0.0 करके, 0 के पास पास आ रहा है. 0.001, 0.1, 0.001, 0.001. So at that time the function is actually going high up. बहुत ऊपर जा रहा है. मतलब वैल्यूज जो हो रहे हैं, पहले 10 है तो फिर 100 है, फिर 1000 है, फिर और होगा 10,000, like that it is going. That means it is going to infinity. The graph will be like this. It is going to infinity. That means your left hand limit when you say LHL becoming infinity. As your x value decreases or tends to 0, जैसे जैसे limit x tends to 0 plus n, पॉजिटिव साइड से 0 की तरफ आ रहा हो, उस वक्त आपका फंक्शन वैल्यू कहां को जा रहा है? इट इज बिकमिंग पॉजिटिव इंफिनिटी. ओके, एंड फॉर योर, सॉरी, दिस इज योर राइट हैंड RHL. नाउ व्हेन आई से लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट द वैल्यूज, अब इसका नेगेटिव लो, will become negative, negative, negative. Okay, and at that time you will get the function value ऐसे आएगा. यहाँ पे 1 आ गया, -1, 1 लोगे, -1 लोगे, -1 नहीं आएगा. So for -1 you will have -1 here, and it is going like y value will be going like ऐसे जाएगा. Again infinity, but it is your y dash, that means minus infinity हो जाएगा. ठीक है, going right. जैसे जैसे आप 0 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से 0 के पास जाओगे, 0 के पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से जाओगे, वैसे वैसे उसका वैल्यू, फंक्शन वैल्यू हाई होता जाए. हाई इन द सेंस नेगेटिव हाई है, दैट मींस वो लोएस्ट होता जा रहा है. f of x is equal to minus infinity में जा रहा है. ओके, नेगेटिव वैल्यू getting increased, negative increased value, that means नीचे जा रहा है. ठीक है, so in these cases we will say that limit actually does not exist बोलते हैं. जब हमें infinity और minus infinity मिलता है, limit doesn't exist. So at x equal to 0 you can just say that because the function value when at x equal to 0, यहाँ 1/0 भी आपको infinity आएगा. So at x equal to 0 the limit does not exist, but for all other values it is having values or the limit exists. ये वो function में ही आपको दिख रहा होगा, यहाँ ऐसे आया था, यहाँ ऐसे आया है. So the function is actually continuous here, but at this point it has a breakage. 0 के nearby values नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, that's why we say that the limit does not exist at x equal to 0. Is this clear? Next one is example 10. Discuss the continuity. Again here, यहाँ पे देखो दो values हैं, and the question is discuss. Discuss है means generally आपको देखना पड़ेगा less than, greater than, and at the point separate. Okay, the function is x plus 2 when it is less than or equal to 1, x minus 2 when it is greater than 1. These are the two values which you have, and you have to check the continuity means you have to go for all the values. So first case we are taking as suppose c is any number which is less than 1, फिर c is any number which is greater than 1 and at the point 1. at the point में हम ये function left right डाल के देखते हैं. जब केस c greater than 1 या less than 1 लेते हैं तब we need not take that because less than 1 के सारे elements के लिए the function value is x plus 2. Again x plus 2 is क्या है x plus 2? It is a polynomial. So you will get continuity there. Continuous आपको मिलेगा because वहाँ पे function value change नहीं कर रहा है. Less than के लिए उस number के left और right में आप e function डालोगे. That's why the function value is not changing. Okay. Now how to do? When you are taking c is less than 1, any number less than 1, you start with limit x tends to c f of x, which is limit x tends to c. f of x value कौन सा है? x plus 2. For x plus 2, you are replacing your c with, sorry, x with c. You'll get c plus 2. Okay. And f of c क्या डालोगे? Again, c is a number which is less than 1. So you will write c plus 2 only. That's why you will say that the limit of this function when c is less than 1 exists, or you can say that the function is continuous, f is continuous for all c less than 1, for all the numbers which are less than 1. Their first case. Okay. Now for the second case, you will take c is greater than 1. When c is greater than 1, what you will do? Limit x tends to c f of x is equal to limit x tends to c. Here, a number which is greater than 1 has the value x minus 2. So you will replace it with x minus 2. And you will get what? C minus 2. Now if it is f of c again greater than 1, you will have c minus 2. Therefore, limit x tends to c f of x is equal to f of c. And the function is continuous for all c greater than 1. For all values which are greater than 1. समझ में आ रहा है? c मतलब कोई भी value जो 1 से छोटा होगा उसके लिए it is continuous. The graph will be continuous. And for all the values which are greater than 1, then also the function is continuous. Now we need to check what will happen where it is 1. That is x equal to 1 में क्या होगा? So the next case is case number 3. When x is 1. Now x is 1 means left, right and at the point आएगा. ठीक है? जब check करना हो at the point, we have to check its left side, right hand limit and at the point. So limit x tends to 1 minus f of x will be क्या आएगा? Limit x tends to 1 left hand. So x plus 2 डालोगे. उसके बाद you will replace x with 1. So you will have 1 plus 2 which is 3. So your left hand limit value is 3. Next you will try for right hand limit 1 plus, which is limit x tends to 1. Again, right hand means x minus 2 and you will put the value of x as 1. So you'll get 1 minus 2 which is minus 1. Here itself you can see that the values are not matching. Now at the point we will check f of 1. f of 1 they have said that when it is equal to 1 you have to use this function. So it is in this function you have to replace the value of x with 1. So 1 plus 2 which is 3. That means your left hand limit and at the points are coinciding but right hand limit is not equal. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to f of 1 but it is not equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Or you can say LHL equal to f of 1 not equal to RHL. Therefore, f is not continuous at x equal to 1. So 1 point में वो continuous नहीं है. बाकी 1 से जो छोटे होंगे and 1 से जो बड़े होंगे values वहाँ आपका ग्राफ continuous होगा. वो function हम draw करके या बना के देखेंगे तब आपको पता लगेगा. They have drawn already. Just see when they are drawing, they are getting the function like for greater than values 1, 2, 3. 1 से बड़े values ले ली. put the values. For greater than 1 values, you have to use x minus 2. So when x is 1, sorry, when x is 2, यहाँ से start करते हैं. Actually 1 की यहाँ से कोई भी value आप ले सकते हो, 1 point anything, any value you can take. But since यहाँ जो आपने लिया है 1 नहीं लेना है, anyway greater than 1 से start होगा ये function. So 1 का value यहाँ पे आएगा, ठीक है? So greater than value 1 point anything, you will get the function to be like suppose 2 ले रहे हैं, you will get 2 minus 2 0. So यहाँ ये point set करेगा, फिर जो भी value होगा वो ऐसे जाएगा. You just take the values you will get and remaining यहाँ तक आएगा. यहाँ तक means 1 के यहाँ straight नहीं आएगा, थोड़ा उधर होगा. Right? That means 1 के यहाँ अगर आप follow करके दिखा दो तो पता लग जाएगा कि is not taking 1 at the point 1. Okay. Now when at x equal to 1, you will have the function to be 3. So 1 जहाँ पे आएगा वहाँ पे आपका value y value is 3. Yeah. So this will be circled, darkened, and then the value goes like less than 1 डालना है आपको. और 1 की जगह आप 0 डाल के देखो. When x is 0, you will get the function to be 2. So it will be touching here 2. ऐसे आएगा. Then next डाल के देखना है negative. ऐसे values डालोगे तो you will have like ये ऐसे जाएगा. Value डाल के देखना ऐसे. तो यहाँ से जब आप draw कर रहे हो, this is a continuous function, a straight line, so it is continuous. Again from here it is continuous. But when I draw totally the graph, I have to come this side from the left side. ऐसे आना है, straight line जा रहा है, ठीक है, continuous है. फिर you have to take a jump. Then you have to go like this. यहाँ पे भी continuous है. So the discontinuity arises here at this point. What is that point? At x equal to 1, you have a discontinuity. Understood? That's why they are asking discuss the continuity होगा तो हमें सारे points में check करने हैं. मतलब ये नहीं है कि 1 में check करना है. 1 में तो करना ही है, compulsory. And remaining points also you have to show. Okay? That is the meaning of discuss the continuity. You have to check for all the points. This is the case where we took C is less than 1. C is greater than 1. So वहाँ पे सारा continuous है इन सारे points में. बस C equal to 1 में continuous नहीं है. Okay, because उसका left side और right side दोनों अलग अलग values दे रहा है. एक में 3 आ रहा है तो एक में क्या आया था? -1. Okay. Therefore the function is continuous everywhere except at x equal to 1. ये होगा conclusion. Therefore f is continuous everywhere except at 1. Except at x equal to 1. Understood? This will be your conclusion.